We'll guide you through how to automate workflows with Zapier Enterprise. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier Enterprise dashboard. Once you're there, you need to log in with your account credentials. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard with options to create a new Zap. Click on the Create Zap button, which is usually prominently displayed at the top. Now, you'll need to choose a trigger app. This is the app that will start your workflow. For instance, if you want to automate email responses, you might select Gmail. After selecting your trigger app, you'll specify the trigger event, such as receiving a new email. Next, click Continue and authorize Zapier to access your account for the trigger app if it's the first time you're setting it up. After that, you'll test the trigger to make sure everything is connected properly. Once the trigger is set, it's time to choose an action app. This is where you decide what happens after the trigger event occurs. You might choose an app like Slack to send a notification. Select the action event, such as send a message, and fill in the necessary details, like the channel and the message content. Again, you'll need to authorize Zapier to access the action app if prompted. After setting up the action, test it to ensure it's working as expected. If everything looks good, give your Zap a name and turn it on. Now, your workflow is automated. You can always go back and edit or refine your Zaps from the dashboard. Automation can save you tons of time and streamline your processes, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.